welcome back, traders. So we got a short one today. We have a red day recap. Things weren't looking too swell today, so only one stock traded today, QRTEB. As you can see here, we were watching it pre-market, and it kind of rolled over as the market opened, but that's okay. These things tend to happen. But right here on QRTEB, we were watching it. As you can see here, at about 8:30, it popped up. Kind of low on volume, but it definitely hit the gap scanners and started hitting the momentum scanner. So one to keep an eye on. I did end up jumping in right here on this candle. It had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles in a row. So I was looking for some sort of pullback on this, and it did end up pulling back all the way here. It ended up coming all the way down to hit a low of 650, and I hopped in at 669 looking to catch that dip. But what I should have paid attention to was it wasn't no bottom and wick on this candle, so that should have been my indicator that this may continue to go lower, and it indeed did. I stopped out of that one at 649 for a 20-cent loss on 150 shares. Then I wanted to give it a chance because it had squeezed up so much that I thought it had some potential. So ended up hopping back in at 69 for another 100 shares and added to that position at 70. And stopped out again as it came back down to 639, I believe I stopped out at. So here's what it is on that one. 2 trades, 2 losers. I hit MaxLoss today, so MaxLoss is like $200, and I pretty much was there. I was at like 150, so hit MaxLoss today. Go ahead and shut it down. Live to trade another day. Try again tomorrow. Like I said, I'm waiting on these markets to kind of bounce back, and when things actually hit the scanners, they take off, and we see follow through. And when things pull back, they actually tap those support levels and kind of get a second leg looking for their retest. When those things start to happen, I'll be more aggressive. So for right now, I'll take my red day, keep it a small red day, and keep it moving with that. And I'll catch you in the next one.